I'm using this opportunity once again to call for Jamaica's sex offender registry to be made public. I guarantee you that in his 60 years, this was not his first offense. It's just the first time that he got caught. It's probably the first time that someone has had the courage to report him. Probably the first time that someone has been taken seriously and believed after they reported it. Probably the first time that this 60-year-old man is now being asked to answer for his crimes. The Jamaica Observer reports that the Westmoreland police have charged a 60-year-old construction worker with the alleged rape and sexual assault of a teenager who is said to be his stepdaughter. Between September and December 2021, the teenager was sent by her mother on several occasions to collect money from her stepfather, and it is alleged that during one of her visits, he assaulted the teen, and on another occasion, he allegedly had his way with her against her will. When people commit these heinous acts, we ought to know who they are. We ought to know that this individual who has moved into our community, this individual who wants to go on a date with you, this individual who wants to move into your family home with your children, that this individual has done something like this. And even though the government said that they're looking into expanding access to the sex offender registry, the fact of the matter is that they're dragging their feet on this issue. Because first they created a system that aimed to keep a record, and then decided that the public should not be able to access that record to keep themselves safe. So who are they keeping safe? The people on that record. Because it's not the public. If the public don't have access to know who are the criminal entities on that record. So you're not keeping the public safe. You're keeping the criminals safe. Several attorneys and human rights groups have long been calling for the registry to be made public, with one attorney telling the Observer that potential victims have been left unprotected. He said that while there are valid concerns about the potential negative consequences of making the registry public, including the risks of vigilantism and the stigmatization of rehabilitated offenders, the benefits of increased safety and informed community vigilance outweigh these risks. 100%. Because why should you not know when a person like this moves into the house next door to you? Why should you not know when a person like this says hi to you and wants to date you when you have your children around? Why should you not know when a person like this is working next to you in the office? You have every right to know. You have every right to know that so that you can make informed decisions. And it continues to baffle my mind that in a country that is so religious, the people who should be leading the charge to condemn these things are very silent. If you've been enjoying my videos, I encourage you to sign up for IMP 2024. The Intercultural Media Project will be held on August 16th, and I'm bringing together journalists from different countries, researchers, and people who are affected by oppressive systems, and looking at how the media chooses to cover these issues. The link is in the description below. I hope to see you there.